Navigating dental filling costs, Europe versus Turkey. Fillings for dental cavities are an effective procedure to treat tooth decay and cavities. They're necessary for restoring the function and structure of teeth that have suffered damage from decay. But the price of dental fillings may differ based on which country you're located in. In this short video, we'll look at the cost of dental fillings in Europe as well as Turkey. Cost of dental fillings in Europe. In Europe, costs for dental fillings may vary depending on where that you reside within. The general rule is that Western European countries tend to be more expensive in dental procedures compared to Eastern European countries. In particular, in countries such as those of the UK, Germany, and France, where the price of dental fillings can vary between €100 up to €300 or greater. The cost-intensive nature of dental procedures for Western European countries is primarily because of the high costs of living and the costs for labor. Additionally, a lot of European nations have strict rules as well as high standards of dental treatment, which could be a factor in the increased costs of treatment. Cost of dental fillings in Turkey. Turkey is gaining recognition as a sought-after location for medical tourism, which includes dental procedures. Dental fillings cost in Turkey is considerably lower in comparison to other European countries. In Turkey, it is possible to find dental fillings can vary between €20 up to €70 depending on the kind of filling as well as the type of clinic that you select. There are a variety of reasons the cost of dental care is lower in Turkey. The first is that the costs for living expenses in Turkey is less expensive than the majority of European countries, leading into lower costs for labor in dental clinics. Additionally, Turkey has a competitive health market with a variety of private dental clinics that provide high-quality procedures at affordable costs. Quality of dental treatments in Turkey. A concern patients might be concerned about when seeking treatment in another country is the level of the care they get. But Turkey has a reputation as a dental clinic that provides high-end treatments which meet the standards of international standard. A majority of dental centers located in Turkey make use of modern technology and adhere to strict guidelines for hygiene to ensure the security and comfort of their clients. In Turkey, dentists have been trained extensively and are skilled to offer a variety of dental procedures, such as fillings for the teeth. A lot of dentists from Turkey are educated and professional training at reputable schools overseas and can speak several languages in order to serve foreign patients. Factors to consider when choosing a clinic. If you are thinking about having dental fillings made within Europe or Turkey, there are a few things to consider. The first is the price of the procedure and whether it will fit into your budget. Although dental procedures in Turkey might be less expensive, but you must research the facility and the credentials of dental specialists so that you can be sure to receive high-quality care. Also, think about your travel and lodging costs in the event of seeking treatment abroad. Turkey is a well-known tourist spot known for its fascinating heritage, stunning landscapes, and delicious food, which will make your dental pleasant. Conclusion. The cost of fillings for dental purposes in Europe as well as Turkey will differ significantly. Although Europe might have more expensive prices for dental procedures, Turkey offers affordable options, but without sacrificing the quality of treatment. Prior to making a choice, take into consideration the price and quality of the treatment as well as other aspects when selecting the right dental filling procedure.